Good afternoon. Today has been a long one for more than one reason. I'll tell you why I'm whispering, because I'm hiding in the office. I have to get some editing done, and the only way to do that is to lock myself in the office and hope that Matt keeps the kids alive. But my blood's still boiling a little. You guys ever get mad about a trigger? When we were going through these foster care classes, they were like, list 3 triggers. I'm like, chewing with your mouth open and lying, and I don't remember what the third one is. But I have new triggers now. To name one is rolling your eyes at me when you're 4 and 5 years old. 6-year-olds better watch out too. My kids like to call rolling your eyes slow blinking because they go. I'm finally to the point where I said, I don't care what you call it, don't do it again. Period. Well, he did it again. Just so you know, she was crying because she was in trouble for flopping herself in a tantrum in the floor. Back to the slow blinking. After he did it again, I said, roll your eyes at me one more time, little child. I need a vacation.
On that picture, Miss, I need to edit pictures.
Reason number 2. I think I might start a GoFundMe account. Or whatever it's called. The Send Miss Ackler on Vacation GoFundMe. Couldn't be any weirder than what some of these other people do. Maybe instead of sending children to the office when they act bad, I should just fine them. You are fined 2 quarters, sir. That's for talking when you weren't supposed to. Maybe I can find the parents, too. I'll get at least enough money to go to Muskogee. Probably in about a year. Guess I'll do some work now. Deuces.